In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create an account on Indeed. If you're planning to apply for jobs or post opportunities as an employer, creating an account on Indeed is the first step. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get started without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Indeed website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the option to sign in, and from there, you can choose to create a new account. Click on the Sign Up option to proceed. Next, you'll be asked how you want to register. You can sign up using your email address, or you can continue with an existing Google or Apple account for quicker access. If you choose to sign up with email, enter a valid email address that you can access, and create a secure password. After entering your details, click Continue. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a message from Indeed, then open it and click the verification link. This step confirms your account and helps keep it secure. Once your email is verified, you'll be guided to set up your profile. This includes adding your name and location. You may also upload your resume at this stage. If you're planning to apply for jobs, uploading your resume now can make the application process faster later. Take a moment to review the information you've entered and make sure everything is accurate. A complete and professional profile can help improve your chances of getting noticed by employers. After that, your account is ready to use. You can start searching for jobs, setting up job alerts, or posting job listings if you're an employer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.